If Grammarly has ever shown you an error message and you are left wondering what it means, you are definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common Grammarly error messages, what causes them, and exactly how to fix them step by step. This is going to save you time, frustration, and a lot of guessing when Grammarly suddenly stops working the way it should. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. One of the most common messages you may see is, "Can't connect to Grammarly," or sometimes, "Something went wrong." When this happens, Grammarly is usually losing its live connection to its cloud servers. You might notice the Grammarly widget turning grey, freezing, or refusing to load properly. The most common cause is something blocking the connection, like a firewall, a VPN, or a network proxy. Grammarly relies on streaming communication called WebSockets, usually over ports 80 and 443. So if that connection is interrupted, the app can't talk to its servers. The easiest fix is to disconnect your VPN and test Grammarly again. If that does not solve it, try switching to a mobile hotspot. That helps you quickly check whether your regular network is the problem. Another message you might see is, "Text checking is temporarily unavailable." This one usually means the local buffer memory in your browser extension or desktop app has frozen while Grammarly is analyzing your document. A simple fix is to cut the text from your document, paste it into a blank notepad or temporary file, and then do a hard refresh of your browser. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift and R. After that, paste the text back in and see if Grammarly starts checking again. If you are using Grammarly's AI tools, you may also run into the message, "You're out of prompts." This error means you have reached your monthly limit for generative AI features, including the custom prompt box and sidebar agents. If you are on a free plan, that limit often resets at the start of each month, and in many cases that means 100 prompts. If you need access right away, without waiting for the monthly reset, the only solution is to upgrade your account tier. Another common alert is, "Can't help with this text." This usually happens when Grammarly's safety filters detect that the content contains sensitive, insecure, or policy-flagged wording. In other words, the assistant is refusing to process that section because of the context or the keywords in the paragraph. The fix here is to reword the text and remove any highly sensitive strings, or simply edit that section manually without using the AI assistant panel. Finally, you may see the message, "Your internet connection is unstable." This one means Grammarly is detecting too many drop packets on your Wi-Fi or network connection, so it can't process real-time updates properly. The best fixes are simple. Move closer to your router, turn Wi-Fi off and back on, or check whether too many background tabs are using your bandwidth. If you are on a busy network, that can also cause delays and connection drops. The key thing to remember is that most Grammarly error messages are not random. They usually point to a connection issue, a browser issue, a usage limit, or a safety filter. Once you know what each message means, you can troubleshoot faster and get back to writing without the guesswork. If this video helped you understand Grammarly error messages a little better, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.